everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable the floating window in Botim on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Botim app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. From the menu, select Settings. Next, scroll down and look for Chat Settings or Advanced Features. This is where Botim lets you customize your setting experience. Here you will see an option called Floating Window or sometimes Chat Head. These features allow you to keep your chat floating over other apps so you can quickly reply without leaving your current app. To enable it, simply turn the switch on. You may see a pop-up asking you to allow Botim to display over other apps. Tap Allow or Enable depending on your iPhone's iOS version. Once enabled, you will notice a small floating icon on your screen when you exit Botim. This icon represents your active chat and can be tapped anytime to quickly open your chat. You can also move the floating icon anywhere on your screen by pressing and dragging it. And that's it. Now you know how to enable the floating window with Botim on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like it. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.